Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topics from higher mathematics, which is algebraic expression. Already in the last 3 lectures we have done number 1 to number 7, and already we have done number 7 1 to number 5, and in this content we will discuss from number 7 number 6 in 7, and then we will do another 2 maths. And this is our lesson number 5 in the exercise algebraic expressions. So give attention to the numbers. Resolve into factors. Number 7. First we will write this one, b square and c square, b square minus c square, plus c square a square, and this one is c square minus a square, and finally a square b square, this one is a square minus b square. We know in times of this we will arrange all algebraic letters a, b, c in cyclic order, like a, then after b, c, and c to a. So considering here this one is the fixed a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Now we will do simple calculation for the next 2 steps. Okay, do multiply here, b to the power 4 c square plus b square, minus b square c to the power 4. Now do here calculation, c to the power 4 a square minus c to the power 4 c square e to the power 4, and this one will remaining same, b square a square minus b square. And now take common or arrange the 2 data, while inside the bracket this one will be a square minus b square or e to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Okay, if we take here c to the power 4 is common, and c to the power 4 is common, we see here a square minus b square. Which one is now? Just underline this one. C to the power 4 multiply with a square, c to the power 4 multiply with a square, this one, and plus minus minus c to the power 4 multiply b square. Okay, which 2 parts are remaining here? The first one and last one. Okay, take here common, minus c square, this one will be a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, because minus minus plus b to the power 4 c square, and this is the first one and this is second one, and this is remaining same, a square b square, a square minus b square. And if we can write here c to the power 4 a square minus b square minus c square, and using here formula a square whole square then b square whole square, we can write here a square plus b square and a square minus b square, and the right one is square b square a square minus b square. Which part is now common? In all cases we see here a square minus b square, so we can take here common, a square minus b square is common. Which are remaining here? So here c to the power 4, this one is remaining minus c square a square minus c square b square, just multiplying this one remaining part, or plus a square b square. And now this one is a square minus b square. If we arrange the data, c square minus a square, like here taking the common here c square, then c square minus a square, and here take the common, b square is common, then c square minus or okay, taking here the common b minus c square, okay, taking here the plus b square common, this one will be minus b square is common, then this one will be a square minus a square, or c square minus a square. Minus minus plus, and plus minus a minus. So taking here the second bracket. Now a square minus b square is common here, and c square minus a square common, remaining c square minus b square. Now give attention to the all variables here, a, b, c. Actually these are in cyclic order? Definitely not. a, b, b, c and c, a. So we have to sense this one, and if we take here the common minus, then this one will be, if we take here common, this one will be minus b square and c square. So this one is also same, remaining okay. So now take here minus common, and then this one a square minus b square. From this one just taking the minus common, this one will be b square minus c square, and this one is c square minus a square. So actually these are the factors of this one. You can write here answer, and if you want to do any further calculation, you can write here like a plus b, or a minus b, or here b plus c and b minus c, c plus a and c minus a. Or arranging this data, you can write here a plus b, b plus c, c plus a, then a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. So you can also write here answer. Each and every line within third plus 3 lines you can write the answer. So these actually the factors of number 7. This is number 7 and 6 within number 7. So now give attention to the number 7 and number 8. Actually these are also important maths here. So now we will do number 7 and number 8. Okay, resolve into factors. Number 7, 15x square plus twice xy minus 24y square minus x plus 24y minus 6. Using a technique, we have to find the factors, otherwise this maths will be difficult to you. First give attention, this is the constant part, two variable here x and y. Okay, this is now 3 times of 5 is 15, and this one will be 4 times of 6, and this is 2 times of 3. Okay, and this the coefficient of x square is plus here, so this both factors will be plus. The coefficient of y square is minus, so if you consider this one is plus, like this one is plus, and then this one will be minus. If this one is minus, this one will be plus. Plus minus minus, plus minus minus. Okay, now start here. Third line first. This is 3 times of x here, plus 4 times of y here, minus 2. There are also remaining 5 times of x, 6 minus 6 times of y plus 3. So if we multiply these 3 terms by 3 terms, you have to write 3 times this one. 3 times of x plus 4 times of y minus 2. Sorry, minus 2. And again you have to write here 3 times of x plus 4 times of y minus 2. First step complete. Now here remaining 5 times of x. This one will be 5 times of x. There will be minus 6y, and this one will be plus 3. Now do simple multiplication here. 15 x square, 5 4 is 20 xy, 5 2 is 10x, and 18 xy, 24 y square, sorry, this one will be 24y square plus 612y, and now to multiply here 9x plus 12y minus 6. Now just review your second line and connect with the first line. This is the 15x square, 15x square, 20xy minus 18xy, there will be twice xy, minus 10x plus 9x, there will be minus 1x, 24y square, 24y square, twice y, 12y, 12y equal 24y and minus 6. So now, and here find out the common factors. 3 times of x plus 4 times of y minus 2. This is minus 2. And which one is remaining? 5 times of x minus 6 times of y plus 3. So basically these are the factors of number 7. And similarly we can do number 8. Okay, now give attention to the number 8. Number 8, 7, and this one is 8. Okay, first 15x square minus 24y square, then 6z square plus 2 times of xy minus xz plus 24yz. Okay, if we do this one like 15, 5 times 20. Okay, what is the difference in between number 7 and number 8? There is a constant part, but there is no constant part. There we see only 2 variables x and y, but there are 3 variables x, y and z. So target x, y square, z square. And this one will be 4, 6 times. This one will be 2 times of 3. This is the coefficient is plus, so both factors will be plus. This is 1 plus, another one will be minus, plus minus minus. If this one is minus, this one will be plus. Now first write here 3 times of x plus 4 times of y minus 2 times of z. Again 3 times of x plus 4 times of y minus 2 times of z. And final one again 3 times of x plus 4 times of y minus 2 times of z. Just taking the 3 times, first 3 factors. Now do multiply with the second part. 5 times of x minus 6 times of y plus 3 times of z. Now do here simple calculation. 15x square plus 20x y, 5 to the 10 xz minus 18 xy, 18xy, then minus 24y square minus minus plus 12 yz, then 9 zx plus 12 zy, then 6 z square. Now review your answer and connect with the first line. 15x square, 15x square, 20xy minus 18xy, this one will be twice xy, 10xz, there is the 10xz minus 9xz, there will be minus 1xz, minus 10xz, minus 24y square minus 24y square, 12zy and 12zy together 24zy, and minus 6z square minus 6z square. So all are same. So now just write the common factors, 3 times of x plus 4 times of y minus 2 times of z. And which one is remaining? 5 times of x minus 6 times of y plus 3 times of z. These basically are the two factors of number 8. Without using this trick, this maths may be difficult to you. Just using these simple tricks, you can do number 7 and number 8. And almost two maths answers same, because here 3 different variables. That's why we use here twice times of 2 times of z, 3 times of z. But in times of here we use here only 2 and 3. But almost the number 7 and number 8 almost the similar to each other. Just only change the 6 times of z square, but here only the constant number 6. That's why you use here twice z and 3 z's. So thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, please do comments. Hopefully I am ready to give you the best answer. Hopefully see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.